Yo, 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 yo! How is everybody doing on this lovely day? Sorry, guys. I know I got my finger all up in y'all's way. What's up, Instagram? What's up, Facebook? How y'all doing? How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is fabulous. So, hey, how are you? Welcome, guys. Thanks for jumping on, everybody. Hey, Instagram. Hey, Facebook. How are you? All right. So, for those of you that don't know, my name is April Rozier. And if you're on, say hey in the comments. Let me know you were here. Hey, girl, what you up to? All right. So, we are going to talk about FDA approved supplements today. So if you're on, say hey. If you're catching the replay, hashtag replay. And if you find this information useful, then smash that share button and send it out and let other people get some value. I hear this all the time about how this product's not FDA approved and this product's not FDA approved. Well, did you know that the FDA does not approve any supplement? None. Zip. Zero. Nada. Supplements are not FDA approved. They cannot be FDA approved because the FDA is not authorized to approve dietary supplements. Did you know that? Hey guys, hey Cassie, hey Henry, thanks for hopping on. It's great to see everybody today. But did you know that? Did you know that the FDA is not approved to, or is not authorized to approve supplements? They are not. None of them. So you will never find a dietary supplement, a nutritional supplement, a vitamin, nothing FDA approved. You will not find it. It will not happen. So for everybody that is constantly knocking the MLM products that are not FDA approved, well, guess what? They can't be. Now, a few fun facts. Hey, Janet, how are you? Thanks for hopping on. A few fun facts for you, though. They are not authorized to approve any supplements, but they're also not able to actually review any of the products unless the product has a new ingredient, something that hasn't ever been tried before, hasn't ever been tested. Hey, Janet. How are you? I seen your picture earlier. Your hair is beautiful. So, just so we know, they do review only new products or ingredients, though. So, like if it's an ingredient that has never been used before in anything, then yes, the FDA will review it. But, fun fact here, they can review it, and as long as it is safe, that's all they can do is review it. Now, if it's not a safe ingredient, then they will pull it, and they won't be able to use that one ingredient. But the FDA cannot approve any dietary supplements. So, all they can do is, now they can restrict sales, like limit the number of sales that go out. And all companies with all products have to report to the FDA, but they do not have to get the FDA's approval. Matter of fact, they never will. They'll never get the approval of any FDA at all. It is up to the manufacturer to test and ensure the safety of all products that they put out. If they receive any kind of complaint, hear about an adverse reaction that someone might have had, they have to report it to the FDA immediately. And then, sorry, my nose is so itchy. I think like money's coming in or someone's talking about me. I can't remember what this means. Someone's coming to visit. Something's happening, but my nose just won't stop itching today. So they do have to report it immediately. And the FDA then can pull it in and review it. The FDA can recall anything that they find that's unsafe or has been misleading. Like sometimes people like to say that their products do X, Y, and Z, and really it only does X and Z, but not Y. If they find out that the company has been misleading, then they can pull it. They can recall it. There's a website, FDA.gov, that you can find all recalled supplements on. But you will not ever see one that's FDA approved. So that is an objection that we shouldn't have to hear anymore. Stop posting all over YouTube and Facebook about how this product's a scam because it's not FDA approved. None of them are. Go to Walmart, buy some supplements in a jar, and I promise you they are not FDA approved. They never will be. Well, let's see. What was I going to tell you guys? I was going to tell you something that I thought was kind of important. I'm sorry, guys. It's been a really rough day, like traveling and going here and there. My cousin passed away, and it's been a rough one. So I'm a little out of sorts a bit. Oh yeah. Now the FDA, if they find something a little off with the product and it's not enough, then they will not recall the product. But all the complaints that have ever been served on that product, that have ever went in and been made against that product, all of those will be left there. You'll be able to see it. So you can always check that site before you take any supplements, before you go with any company and you decide that you want to test out a product. You can always go to fda.gov and check out the products and make sure they haven't been recalled, which if they're being sold, they haven't. And make sure that there's no adverse effects or complaints, because if they've ever had any, it will be on that website. So, my point of all this ranting and rambling, on top of the fact that, people keep complaining about no FDA approval, on top of that, hey Amanda, thanks for hopping on. It's good to see your beautiful self. So on top of the fact that you'll never get an FDA approval, you have the right to go in and check on the products. But in my opinion, I will assume that it is safe to take a product that has been out for, honestly, more than 2 years. But my product's been out for over 6 years now. We're a $2 billion company. And obviously, there's nothing wrong with my products. You won't go on that website. It hasn't been recalled. And you won't even actually find any complaints because there's no legitimate proven complaints against my product. So the FDA has not put anything against it. But in my opinion, if a product has been out, even 12 months, let's get real. If it's been out for 12 months, as much as people love to complain, and they love to complain, especially people that are against MLM companies. Anyone that is against the MLM company loves to complain about us, loves to talk crap about our products. And the fact is if we're still selling after 12 months and we haven't been recalled and you don't find any real complaints about our companies anywhere on the FDA.gov website, then I'm going to tell you, in my opinion, it is safe to take a product that you have not been able to knock off the market by going to the FDA and complaining about our products. So, if you run across an MLM company and you have questions about why it is not FDA approved, here's your answer. The FDA is not authorized to approve any dietary supplement. It is a food, but it is not a drug. So, they do not have the authorization to approve it. So, you won't find that. Now, if you need a list of supplements to build up energy, shoot me a message and I will send you that list because everybody needs more energy. And I have a list of some that, again, are not FDA approved, but they will help you boost up your energy. So if you need a list, shoot me a message and I will get that over to you. All right, guys? Have a wonderful day and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.